Hello students, today I am introduced about a new chapter in standard 4 subject maths in English medium, chapter number 2 Roman numerals. We know about Roman numerals. Roman numeral system was developed by the ancient Roman. In our Indian system and international system, we are using a digit, but Romans are using letters. There are 7 basic symbols to write Roman numerals. First one, I. I is equal to 1. They all are use I. Romans are use I. We are using 1. V for 5, X for 10, L for 50, C for 100, D for 500, M for 1000. Special features of Roman numerals. No symbol for 0. No symbol for 0. No place value system. In our Indian system 0, but Roman system no symbol for 0. In the Indian system and international system have place values, but Roman number have no place value system. Basic rule to write Roman numerals. Rules 1. Repetition of Roman numerals means addition. You repeat one letter 1, 2 and 3 times, that means addition. It is means of addition. Look here, I. That means 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. X. 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. X is equal to 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30. C is equal to 100 plus 100 is equal to 200. Here repeat one letter 2 times and 3 times. Look here, one thing note down in your mind, only I, X, C and M can be repeated. 1, 10, 100 and 1000 you can repeat it, but V, L and D cannot be repeated. V, L and D cannot be repeated. Here second number, no symbol can be repeated more than 3 times. Here these all are symbols. No symbol can be repeated more than 3 times. These all you are repeat only 3 times. Understood everyone? Now next rule. Rule 2. A smaller numeral written after a larger numeral means addition. Smaller numeral. Here this one I is a smaller numeral and V is a larger numeral. You write smaller numeral after larger numeral, that means it's addition. Look here, V after I here, V is a larger and I is a smaller, that means V is a 5, I is a 1, that means 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Next one, V after I. V is a larger and I is a smaller, so 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 8. X is a larger numeral and 2 is a smaller. X means 10 and I means 1. It's make 12. V. X is 10 and V is a 5. It's make together solve 15. L means 50. X means 10. You solve together. It's make 60. X is equal to L is equal to 50. X is equal to 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 80. Now next rule. Rule 3. A smaller numerals written before a larger numeral means subtraction. You write smaller numerals before larger numeral. Here V is a larger numeral and smaller numeral I is the smaller numeral. You write before larger numeral, that means it is subtraction. Here I, V, that means 5 minus 1, it's 4. X is 10 and I is 1, that means 10 minus 1 is 9. XL, L 50, X 10, that means 50 minus 10 it's 40. XC, C is 100, C it is 100 and X is 10. 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. One thing remember in your mind, V, L and D never be subtract. V, L and D never be subtracted. Second, I can be subtract from V, L, X only. I later only subtracted only V and X. X can be subtracted from L and C. X later X only subtract with L and C. Now rules 4. When a smaller numeral is written between two larger numeral, then it is first subtraction and after addition. When a smaller numeral is written between two larger numerals, then it is first subtraction and after addition. Smaller numerals, right, written between larger numeral. Here look here, this one bigger and this one also larger. Here I is smaller and they written between X and V. First X is 10 and V is 5 and I is 1. First you subtract number, after that addition. 10 as it is you write 10 plus 5 minus 1, that means 4. It's make 14. X, I, X. X and X both are larger numeral and here I is a smaller numerals. Between X and X, between here I, X means 10, this X means also 10 and this I is before X, that means 10 minus 1. It's make 9, 10 minus 1, 9. So 10 plus 9 is equal to 19. Now next topic, writing numerals for Hindu-Arabic numeral from 1 to 10. Writing Roman numerals for Hindu-Arabic numerals from 1 to 10. Here Hindu-Arabic number and Roman numerals. 1 for I, 2 for 2I, 3 for I, 4 for I, V, 5 for V, 6 for VI, 7 for VII, 8 for VIII, 9 for IX and 10 for X. 1 for I. I is a symbol. 2. Here repeat 2 times I. Here repeat 2 times I. Rule 1 addition. Here doing addition. We can doing here addition. 3. I. Here 3 times use I. It's also addition. Rule 1 addition. 4. I, V. Here letter before larger letter. So rule number 3 subtraction. 4 for I, V. 5 is a symbol. 5 is symbol. 6 VI. 7 VII. 8 VIII. Rule 2 addition. Rule 2 here based on rule 2 addition. Now X. 9 IX. Rule 3 subtraction. 10 X symbols. From 10 to 100 in tens. Hindu-Arabic numbers and Roman numerals. 10 for X. It is already given symbol. 20 XX, 30 XXX, 40 XL, 50 L, 60 LX, 70 LXX, 80 LXXX, 90 XC, 100 C. 10 for x is the symbol already given. X, 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 x. 20 and 30. Here based on rule 1, addition. 40 for XL, rule 3, subtraction. 50 for L, symbol LX, LXX, LXXX, rule 2, addition. XC, rule 3, subtraction. C is the symbol. Now, when we write any number up to 100 in number, we separated the tens and the ones. Then the first write the Roman numeral for the tens and then write the Roman numeral for the ones. Here 52 and 49. 52, first write your tens place, here 50, and then you write ones place, here 2. 50 for in Roman L and 2 is a 2I. 49. So 40 plus 9. First convert 40. So 40 is XL and 9 for XI. It make XLIX. Similarly, when we convert Roman numeral to Hindu-Arabic number, we convert it in tens and ones. Look here. LXIX. LX that means 60 and IX that means 9. You solve together, it's make 69. Here XC and V. XC for 90 and V for 5. We solve together, it's make 95. XL and IV. XL means 40 and IV means 4. It's all together, it's make 44. Now let's evaluate. Now solve the exercise. Question number 1. Convert the following Hindu-Arabic number to Roman numerals. Here given 15. 15. 10 plus 5. 10 for X and 5 for V. It makes XV. 49. 40 plus 9, 40 X, L and 9 for I, X. It's make XLIX. 103. 100 plus 3, 100 is equal to C and 3 I, 3 times I. 305. You write C and 5 for V. 228. C X V triple I. Now 450. 500 for D. So 400. CDL. 637. X V I 989. M for 1000. So CM L X I X. CMLXXIX. Now 354. 300 CCLIV. 509 DIX. 83 LXXX 3 times I. 179 CLXXIX. Now question number 2. Convert the following Roman numerals to Hindu-Arabic numbers. Look here. First, here X is 10, IV means 4. It's make 1 4 14. LXII. LX means 60 and II means 2. So it's 62. XC VII. VII means 8. XC means 90, 98. C X I is equal to what? C 331, 331. C D means 500 and here C before D, that means 405. Then D 500, 600 and 700, 701. Here CMXV, here 915, 915. This all exercise copy from board to notebook. Thank you.